Hello! It has been like a year since I decided to record anything. This is Salt and Sanctuary, for anyone who does not know. If you know, you know I'm bad at it. I didn't mean to click continue, but these are my characters. Generally, this is... He's not... I'm gonna be stuttering a lot. I didn't get to 195 legitimately. I did a little glitch with these two. That if people want to see that, I can just ask. Oh yeah, you can't do that. I can't create a new character right there. What should we name this one? What should we name this one? I think that's how you say Mcgee, but that works. Alright, it's definitely gonna be a male. What is Knobs Mcgee's hair? Gonna be bald. What? Afro. With a, I want to say Spanish mustache. Oh, I never noticed this one. I never really paid attention to the regions. Ugh. That looks like a novice Mcgee right there. I've never played as a thief. Cause my first character was a knight, and I have a mage, a hunter, and a paladin. I can think. I'll play as a thief. Oh wait, there's a challenge. I never knew this was a thing. I didn't know that they had challenges actually. That's cool. Yes, Ops Mcgee. I should probably be reading this, but you know, I looked away and kind of forgot. Oh wait, that's not an enemy. I'm gonna be so... I have a gaming mouse, so... So I forgot that weak attacks on right. And strong attacks on the left. Man, I like daggers. I'm gonna quickly do this. Controls. I recommend enabling the mouse. The unspeakable deep. I've never beaten this thing. I don't even... There's ways you can, but I don't think you gain anything from beating it. But, so I'm just gonna let it kill me. The truth is, I'm just really bad, so I didn't want to fight I've never actually found the princess. I don't know if you can do that. I'll have to look that up, and if I can, I'll say something about it. I missed the pastorals. I just realized I was clicking through that really quickly. No. 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 Oh. I can't remember what the 3 in the Goddess of Light give you, but I know the iron ones. Since I'm not currently going to be using magic, but they're for like physical builds. Damn. Knives are good. Daggers, I should say. I didn't know you could get the iron ones right off the bat. If I did, I would have done it on my main character. I got nothing to offer. Nope, somebody died here. How do you die here? Oh, it's too bright for me to see. What is this? It's a ring? Oh. See, I don't really use those grenades because they're really useful in a later place. If I go quiet when fighting, I'm just focusing. I've just always gone quiet, but something I like, it'll show people's bodies who have died here. So, you know, you got somebody who's naked, a cleric, and a knight, I want to say. It's just a cool touch. Okay. Heavy attack is too long. I don't like the whole spin move with it, because it takes too long to swing. Yeah. You know, just like that. I meant to use this. Or I did, and I just picked up another one, and I'm stupid. Always possible. I forgot you can't parry that. Quit. Come on. Do an actual swing, please. Come on. Come on. Swing. Oh no. Oh. I love the, you know, critical animation. Critical damage attack animation, whatever you want to call it. Oh no. You know, we need to see this beautiful face. There we go. Not allowed to wear a helmet the entire playthrough, if I do a playthrough. That's the rule. Can't wear a helmet. Oh, there's gonna be a doggo. No, bad doggo. He was not a good boy. Can confirm, not good boy. No, I don't want to do that. There is a way to get that and like completely avoid fighting the boss. I'll show it to you, but then I'm gonna go right back to the boss. So if you jump and roll at the same time like I just did, you can do like a big jump. And what I did was, see, I have roll on right shift and I have jump on it. I like being able to combine two keys to it, just to make it easier, where I can just press it like that and get right over here. That's if you want to, you know, skip some area, but and it works best if you're naked. Oh, I'm not gonna do that. I'm slow in the menu too, so. Something I'm missing here. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Oh, you don't skip the boss with that. I'm stupid. You can just skip that area, I guess. That path, it's quicker. Item. This is the boss. Oh, I can't take items off. Sorry, I'm a bit slow, it's just, ugh. I need no rings, nope. The sodden night. Ringy. Oh, I missed. He's kind of an easy boss. If you have real big trouble with him, you can get the Burian fire pots, and they just melt them. I think you only need 4 if you hit all of them. Oh no. Oh no. That still hit him. But I mean, if you're not that good at the game, just grab throwing items like this. You can cheese them. Oh no. He doesn't like being cheesed. Oh, I only need to use one of my hearty rolls. But you know that'll do it. He's fairly easy, but I'm not gonna lie, my first time ever playing, that was the hardest boss for me. No joke. And I've beaten the game on that one character, and I would rather fight the nameless god again than some of the bosses I have to go against. And if you want to see that character, you know, say something in the comments, all, you know, 2 of you that's gonna watch my video. I keep forgetting I don't have the, I can't remember the name of the brand. It's not the Vertigo brand, this is the Vertigo brand. It's the Shadow Step, where you can, you know, cling onto walls to get an extra jump. I keep forgetting I don't have that and I get annoyed. I'm trying to keep this within 20 minutes, but you know, that chase you to the end of time. Eat? Oh no. Oh no. That's a good use of the dash thing. You can just no-sell and jump. As many levels as possible. Let's see, tree of skill. Definitely always get to pull this pouch. I'm not gonna use swords. I always use swords and stuff, and I'm not gonna do that. Where's the daggers over there? Stamina, X. Always go stamina. Cause like that's not good if it's using that much of my stamina right there for one roll, but my weapon doesn't use a lot of stamina. I can get through 2 complete combos. But you know, actually let me see. Yeah. If you have trouble against him, I think all three of the creeds that you can get right off the bat all have the Birion fire pots. So if you have trouble, get these. They're only 100 gold. They're really good. I recommend. Or the dragon's teeth. I always say teeth, it's tooth. They work as well, not as useful as the Birion fire pot, but you can throw them a lot farther. But you know, so that's gonna be the end of this episode. If you actually want to see more Knobs Mcgee, hit the button that's a thumbs up for me, you know? And I'll do another one of these stupid videos. Yeah. Oh yeah, I went from Polar Bear Gaming to my Steam name, Siren. Oof, it's edgy, I know, right? I'm just rambling on. I need to stop this. But hopefully someone sees this, likes it once more. Yeah. So that's the outro. Just me rambling for 2 minutes, I think. I'm bad with time. Yeah.